Are you having trouble accomplishing your daily task? Don't worry, because I'm gonna be teaching you my 3 tips on how to accomplish your task fast. Welcome back on another video. For those of you who are new to this channel, welcome and consider subscribing, because I'm gonna be releasing videos every week on how to become more successful online so you can have more time offline. Okay, so for those of you who doesn't know me, my name is Rosalie. Yes, I am a full-time mompreneur and I help people build businesses online. Okay, in this video, I am going to teach you the 3 tips to get things done fast. Okay, so if you are a busy person like me, you know, I have struggled a lot doing everyday tasks, especially with kids at home and lots of distractions going on. But don't worry, because if you feel like you have been procrastinating all this time, I have 3 tips for you to get things done. Okay, without further ado, let's get into it. Number 1, write a journal. Okay, write a to-do list, and you have to write your to-do list the night before. Okay, so your task tomorrow should be written down tonight. Okay, so what are the things that you have to write down? Of course, all the things that you want to accomplish tomorrow. Okay, so why do you need to do that? Because if you wake up tomorrow morning, you will not have to waste your time thinking what to do on that day. Okay, when I first learned how to do this thing, I have accomplished more things, you know, that I've never think that I can do. Okay, I was like, oh, that's so sweet. I never have to spend or waste time, few hours of my time in the morning just to think what to do on that day. Okay, so that's number 1, is to get your journal and make the to-do list the night before. Okay, so let's get to number 2. Number 2 tip is to turn off your cell phone. Okay, I know it's hard, especially those who are used to be holding their cell phone all day long. Okay, so turn it off, put it on the side just for a little bit. Okay, just for you to accomplish your things first. Okay, prioritize. Okay, so turn it off, and you don't want to get distracted, because if you started to work on the things that you're working and your phone is just right there and keeps beeping and beeping, all of a sudden you catch yourself, you know, on the phone, and you just wasted hours of your time. Okay, so that's what you need to do. Number 2 is to turn off your cell phone or put it away while you're doing the task that you are doing. Number 3 is to prioritize. Okay, do the hard task first. Okay, if you do this, okay, you feel like your day is already done right after you do the hard thing. Okay, because if we think of it, if we're thinking, okay, if you put your list down and if you see the very hard task, you keep the hard things later. Okay, and sometimes if you keep it later, it's not gonna be done. All right, so what you need to do is to put that very hard task on the number 1 list to do. Okay, so I hope you learned something from my 3 tips. If you like this video, click the like and share, and don't forget to subscribe and the notification bell so you'll get notified every time I release a video. Okay, so that's it for this video. Again, thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye bye.